Hello and welcome back to Lady Applejack Speaks VA. This is a VA channel here on YouTube that focuses on the characters from Stranger Things. So if you're a Stranger Things fan or you're just starting to get into the fandom, hi, welcome. We love to have you here. And yeah, so tonight I'm actually doing kind of another Flashback Friday special, even though it's technically Saturday morning now. But I got some really good feedback from many of you asking for a part 4. So I decided I was going to fulfill that request. If you haven't listened to the first 3 videos of this series, and again, it is a series, I strongly advise you to go listen to those first. They give a little bit more of a backstory on a female listener. She actually has a backstory. And Eddie, and just kind of their current situation. So yeah, this particular video is PG-13 for strong language. There are no apparent triggers to worry about, so you should be good and settled if you don't mind a little bit of tough language. Okay, and with that being said, one other thing I want to mention is I'm still experimenting with the narrative. The narrative, for the most part, is going to be told in Eddie's perspective. And then I'll try to deepen my voice when I come to those particular moments where it's Eddie's perspective. Otherwise, I'll talk in my regular voice, as regular as it can be, because I have a cold. So bear with me. And yeah, we'll just go ahead and jump right into it. Oh, and before I forget, this is titled Eddie, Ex-Female Listener, You and I Were Fireworks. So enjoy this flashback. Oh, okay. Well, this is certainly different from my normal everyday or every holiday celebration. Normally, on July 4th, I would be drinking beer and eating hot dogs with Uncle Wayne until he had to go to his night shift. But instead, this year, I'm standing right in the middle of the local IGA, picking up stuff for my date with listener. Fuck. I'm really going out on a date with listener, and yeah, this is blowing my mind. I can't believe this. Finally got the balls to ask her out. And crazy enough, she said yes. Okay, let's see here. I'm really not good at this shit. I've dated other girls in the past, but I didn't ever go out my way to impress them. Not like I'm trying to do with her. My only plan as of now was maybe an impromptu picnic down by Lover's Lake. And yeah, I found a quiet little spot that I go to every once in a while. Nobody bothers me there. And I occasionally smoke a joint and drink a few beers and just forget about life for a while. I also went there last July and watched the fireworks, and I know it's going to be a good spot for us. I just hope she likes it too. I am definitely going to be on my best behavior, though. I'm not going to pressure her to drink or smoke, and I'm going to try my best not to do that in front of her either. I don't know, just the way she was acting with Carver at Sam Goody's yesterday, I could just tell it bothered her. Okay, alright. Let's see, I got some cheese, I got Ritz crackers, I got soda, I got the strawberries, Those are important. I'm missing something. What? Oh, shit. Think, Munson, think. What did you forget this time? I ordered the pizza. What did Gareth tell me to get? Oh, flowers. Flowers. That's right. I need to get her flowers. Okay. Let's see. Let's see what they got here. Roses. Those are so generic. No. Tulips. No. They're kind of crummy too. Carnations. No. Those. Oh. Oh. Okay. Daisies. And there's only one bunch left. That has to mean something, right? Daisies are good. Daisies, yes, daisies are perfect. All right, I'm gonna get those for her. What time is it? Shit, I'm late. Okay, all right, awesome, Munson. Be late for your first fucking date. Awesome, way to go. Okay, I gotta go pay for this. Okay, let's see here. You could take me. Great, thank you. Paper's fine. Yeah. How much? Oh, okay. All right. Yeah. Let me give my wallet here. 5, 10. Okay. All right. Yeah. Cool. Thank you. Thank you very much. Have a good night, ma'am. Okay. Let's see. Grab my bag. All right. Put this out inside the van here. All right. I gotta get my keys. Okay. All right. Okay. Put those in the back so she has some place to sit in the front. All right, now what else? Gotta run across the street and get pizza. Okay, I can do that. Let's see here. Hey, man. Hey, yeah. What's up? Yeah, I'm here to pick up that pizza. Yeah, the large pineapple and cheese. Uh, don't knock it until you try it, dude. It's amazing. Do I think listeners gonna like? I don't know. Hopefully. Uh, yeah. I'm nervous. Yeah. How much I owe you? All right. Yeah. Here, keep the change, man. Sweet. Okay. Can I work this Sunday? Yeah. I think I can work a couple hours this Sunday. Yeah. That shouldn't be a problem. Yeah. Just call me tomorrow, like a couple hours before the shift. So I'm not completely wasted. Yeah. All right. I gotta go. I'm running late. Yeah. See you later. Okay. Got the pizza. Damn, that smells good. Whew. Hopefully she likes it. Okay. Let's see. Go to my humble steed. Ride off like a knight in shining armor. All right. Let's see. Gotta put some music on. Let's see here. All right. Okay. Let's see. So she lives on 4738. Okay. All right. Every fucking red light, I swear. So a few minutes later, Eddie's van pulls up into the driveway of Listener's house. Just out of habit, he tosses a mitt in his mouth. He checks his hair and he grabs the bundle of fresh daisies that were sitting in the passenger seat. And he heads up to the door. Okay, all right. You got this, Munson. You could do this. Later, Dio. All right. Oh, oh, hello, ma'am. Yeah, I'm Eddie Munson. I'm here to pick up listener. Oh, yeah, yeah. Thank you for letting me inside. Thank you, ma'am. Oh, yeah. It's okay if she's running behind. If she's still getting ready. I'm in no hurry. You know how the fireworks are. They're never on time. Oh, your listener's foster mom. Well, it's very nice to meet you. Are you going to the fireworks? Well, yeah, hopefully, you and listeners' foster dad and their siblings have a good time here instead. Yeah, traffic was starting to get bad when I was coming from downtown. How did we meet? At Sam Goody's. Yes, ma'am. I also go to Hawkins High. Yeah, this will be my junior year coming up. Yes, ma'am. Uh, you must be Mr. Listener. Hi, sir. My name's Eddie Munson. Nice to meet you. Uh, oh, yeah, my band has played at that bar a couple times. Yes, sir. Guitar and vocals. That's what I do. Midnight. Yeah, midnight's fine, sir. Yes, sir. I could definitely have listener home by midnight. No, no, no drinking whatsoever, sir. Absolutely not. Your daughter is in good hands. I promise. Listener? Wow. Listener, you look wow. You look incredible. Um, yeah, these are for you. I didn't know what your favorite flower was, but oh oh you like daisies. I guess it was just a lucky guess. I guess. Yeah. um, we got time for you to put them in water. Yeah. No rush, sweetheart. Uh, oh, okay. Are you ready, sweetheart? Yeah, I got pizza for us, so hopefully you didn't have dinner yet. You did good. Okay. Um, after you, princess. um, thank you, Mr. and Mrs. Listener. It was a pleasure to meet you. I will have her back at midnight. All right. Uh, yeah, seatbelts. Yeah. Um, I'm gonna assume that you're okay with listening to Dio. Yeah, I got the Holy Diver album in here. I can't stop listening to it ever since you introduced it to me. All right, here we go. Yeah, so let's go. Oh, yeah, I'm heading to the lake. Yeah. Oh, I'm sorry. What did you say? Oh, yeah. I guess I am sort of nervous. Yeah. I'm usually not nervous, but you kind of make me nervous sometimes. But it's in a good way, I guess. It, yeah, it is kind of weird. I mean, we've been talking for what, over a month now, and look at us. Pitiful. In a good way, in a good way. You you look really, really beautiful tonight. I'm serious. I mean, you always look beautiful, but yeah, tonight you look really good. Oh, the plan. Yeah, so it's kind of lame, and you could be honest if you don't want to do it. We'll figure something else out. But I was thinking we could go down by the lake and have a little picnic and yeah, lovers lake. You know about it? Yeah, a lot of kids go there. Um, but I kind of have a little insider secret. I have a secret place that no one really knows about. Don't worry, I'm going to be on my best behavior. You know, you trust me. Well, that's good. I want you to trust me. All right, yeah, here we are at the lake, and yeah, this is my spot. Yep, but like I said, nobody really knows about it. At least that I know of. Let me go ahead and help you out here, and we could get set up. All right, let me just grab this blanket, and yeah, let me grab this bag here. No, no, darling, you don't have to pick up anything. I got this. Yeah. Uh, let's see. I think we came just in the nick of time. Fireworks should be starting here fairly soon. Um, you want to kind of sit near this edge right here, overlooking the water? Okay. All right, let's see here. Let me go ahead and spread this blanket out. Sit these down. All right, and here, I'm going to sit. All right. Here's my hand. Let me help you. Okay. Are you comfortable? All right. Good, good. Yeah, let me just go ahead and yeah, Surfer Boy Pizza. Have you tried it yet? Yeah, I work sometimes for them, like freelance, deliver pizzas and stuff. So I get kind of a decent discount. Um, yeah, it's weird. I know. Pineapple and cheese. Oh, you like pineapple and cheese pizza? Me too. It's one of my favorites. I'm I'm glad you like that. Yeah, so I got that, and let me just grab this bag here. I got some soda. I didn't know what you liked, so I just kind of got a variety. I got crackers here and some cheese. And do you like strawberries? You do? Good. I thought so. Um, what did I mean by that? Okay. You promise you aren't going to think I'm a creep or anything, right? All right. Well, just going to lean in a little bit, and you smell like strawberries. I know that's crazy and weird, but you do. And I noticed it a few weeks ago. How, well, let me just lean in a little closer here. No, it's okay. I don't mind your hair touching my cheek. It's fine. Um, well, it was that day that I came in, and yeah, right after band practice, and I think you were closing that day, right? Yeah, you were like the only one in the store, which is crazy. But you and I were looking through those new releases up front, and Yeah, you asked me to check out that one album, but anyways, you kind of leaned in me, and you smelled sweet, like strawberries and cream, kind of like the ice cream at Scoops Ahoy. It's your shampoo, huh? I like it. Yeah, you have incredible eyes. Do you know that? I could just stare into them all day. Uh, yeah. Sounds like the fireworks is starting. I guess I could turn around and look at the fireworks, but it's crazy. I'd rather be just looking at you. I sound like a full-on creeper. I'm sorry. You kind of have a way, though. You don't mind? Really? Here, scoot over next to me a little bit so you can see a little better. Is that good? Yeah. Okay, good. Um, would it be okay if I put my arm around you? All right, awesome. Yeah, that does feel nice. Yeah, they are really pretty tonight, aren't they? Is it cool if you come back to my secret highway? Absolutely. You consider it your own, you know. And if you ever want company, you know, I could always come along. Hey, listener, would it would it be okay if I, you know, kissed you? Yeah, you're sure? No pressure. Okay, okay. I won't ask again. Come here. I have been waiting almost 2 months to do that. Worth it? Yeah, absolutely. It's totally worth it. Wait, are you serious? Listener, the Princess of Hawkins, you had a crush on me since the first time you saw me at Sam Goody. Oh, God. You could have dropped some hints, you know, sweetheart. Help a guy out. Ah, I see. You wanted me to work for it. I like a good quest. So, how is this date going so far, Princess? Am I worthy of a second? All right, good. Yeah, I guess I better start planning ahead, huh? Yeah? Yeah, I think it's safe for you to tell Jason Dipshit Carver and his little minions of laundry basket playing freaks that you're taken. 100% taken. Yeah. You belong with me now. as I with you. Oh, sweetheart, I have a good feeling. I have a feeling that this is gonna be our year. Yeah, come here. Woo! That was a doozy. All right, yeah. Part 4 is finally done, and it only took like, I don't know, 6 or 7 recordings for me to finally get right to some point that I can like. So yeah, let me know in the comments below what you thought about Eddie and ex-female listeners' first date. If you want to see more on the series, I will be more happy to do that. If you want to submit requests, you could do that as well. Yeah. And of course, I could continue doing the flashbacks for the weekend if you like, or I could go back to current day, whatever. I am open for comments and excuse me, hiccups, suggestions. So if you like this video, please click the little likey thumbs up button, and if you like just the content overall, please feel free to subscribe. And of course, any requests, feedback, whatever you have, leave them down below. And other than that, that's the end of part 4. Thanks for tuning in, and I will talk to you guys real soon. Bye.